Hi Wild Runners, welcome to Land of Lemurs here at the Calgary Zoo. My name is Sarah and I work here at the zoo. Behind us we have three amazing species of lemurs. Lemurs are very special because you can only find them on one island in all of the world. There's a little island off the coast of continental Africa called Madagascar. Madagascar is famous for its biodiversity. So there's a ton of different species of plants and animals that are all trying to compete for this one little tiny island. Sadly, we've noticed that 90% of the island's trees have been cut down. So that means that 90% of the island is deforested. For an animal like lemurs who depend on those trees to survive for their food, as well as for their homes and finding mates and families and all of those other things, that's a really sad statistic to hear. Thankfully, here at the Calgary Zoo, we actually are trying to help recover that forest area. Part of that is our work with the Madagascar Biodiversity Partnership. Our work with the Madagascar Biodiversity Partnership includes going through the forest and collecting lemur droppings. Now this sounds like pretty gross work, so you might wonder why we're asking people to do it. And it's actually because as lemurs move through their forest habitat, what they're doing is they're eating fruits, and those fruits have seeds in them, which are kind of partially digested by the lemurs. And then those seeds are deposited in a lemur dropping. So when we collect those lemur droppings, not only are we collecting sort of a germinated seed, but we also have a nice pile of fertilizer to go along with it. We've noticed that these droppings actually produce trees at a much higher rate. We have a lot more successful growth, and we're able to plant those trees once they're big and strong enough into the deforested areas in Madagascar. This is important because right now what we're seeing is kind of like little pockets of forest all across the island of Madagascar, and we want to see one big continuous forest. And that helps not only lemurs, but all of the other animals who live on the island. Now, I want to take a moment here, Wild Runners, and just say thank you so much for your efforts to fundraise for these amazing critters. By participating in this run and by sharing this story about lemurs, we're hoping that we can fundraise and raise quite a bit of money to help take care of these lemurs, not only here at the zoo, but also in the wild as well. Here at the zoo, we know that a healthy ecosystem is a balanced ecosystem, and we can't do that without the partnership of people like you and people around the world. So thank you for supporting wildlife conservation, and good luck on your run.